Hello friends, welcome to Amazing. Watch today's video to see the benefits of drinking watermelon juice. Making watermelon juice is a simple and refreshing process. Here's a general guide incorporating common techniques. 1. Preparation. Choose a ripe watermelon. Look for a heavy watermelon with a dull rind and a yellow underside. Wash the watermelon. Thoroughly wash the outside of the watermelon to remove any dirt or bacteria. Cut the watermelon. Cut the watermelon in half. Cut the watermelon flesh into cubes, removing the rind. Remove seeds, if necessary. While seedless watermelons are common, if your watermelon has seeds, remove as many as possible. 2. Blending. Place watermelon cubes in a blender. Add the watermelon cubes to a blender. Blend until smooth. Blend the watermelon until it is completely liquefied. Optional add-ins. For added flavor, you can add ingredients like lime or lemon juice, fresh mint leaves, ginger, cucumber. If your blender has difficulty blending the watermelon, you can add a small amount of water to help the blending process. 3. Straining optional. Strain the juice. If you prefer a smoother juice, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any pulp. If you enjoy the pulp, then this step can be skipped. 4. Serving. Chill the juice for a refreshing drink. Chill the watermelon juice in the refrigerator before serving. Serve immediately. Watermelon juice is best served fresh. Optional garnishes. Garnish with a slice of watermelon or a sprig of mint. Key tips. Using a chilled watermelon will result in a colder and more refreshing juice. Adjust the sweetness by adding a small amount of honey or sugar, if desired. However, a ripe watermelon is usually sweet enough on its own. When blending, start with smaller amounts of watermelon if your blender is not very powerful. Experiment with adding other fruits and herbs to create your own unique watermelon juice blends. Enjoy your homemade watermelon juice. Watermelon juice offers a refreshing and hydrating way to enjoy numerous health benefits. Here's a breakdown of some key advantages. Hydration. Watermelon is primarily water, around 92%, making its juice excellent for staying hydrated, especially in hot weather. It also contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help replenish those lost during sweating. Rich in nutrients. Watermelon is a good source of vitamins A and C, which support immune function and skin health. It contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against certain chronic diseases. May reduce muscle soreness. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, an amino acid that may help improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Heart health. Lycopene and other antioxidants in watermelon may contribute to heart health by lowering blood pressure and improving circulation. Digestive health. The high water content and some fiber in watermelon can promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Skin health. Vitamin C, found in watermelon, is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and health. Also, the lycopene helps protect skin from UV damage. It's important to remember that while watermelon juice offers many benefits, it's best consumed as part of a balanced diet. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.